Remember I've installed the dash cam last week? Well, good job that I did, because now we can see how my woman drives. Hopefully we'll film some fucking... Well, not hopefully, I hope I won't have to film idiots. But there's too many fucking pricks on the road these days, so I've decided to get one of these bad boys. Let's see how women drive these days. Yeah, going along. As a big fire engine. Oh! Well, easily done. Oh well. See, boys and girls, you should, especially girls, you should always let the big fire engines through, because they have big dicks and they will fuck you. So, boys and girls, today we've learned that life is full of valuable lessons. Sorry. Lesson number 1 is when giving keys to your good lady wife, make sure that you have dashcam to save any arguments and to show that 99.9% of the time it's their fault. Secondly, sorry, sun's in my face, this one. And third lesson, we all know, probably for a long time, is if you give the keys to your lovely ride to your even more lovely wife, that every couple of months or so you're gonna see shit like this, shit like this, shit like this. Oh well, okay, this one was me. But be ready and don't stress. Keep it real, keep it safe.
Positive vibration, yeah, positive.
Has this dashcam proven to be such a wonderful tool in determining how well your woman drives, I've decided to make it a more permanent fixture. So I'm gonna try to hide all the wires behind this panel. Firstly, so take off the panel, get this panel clip off thingy tool, and ease it off. I'm gonna give it a go and then let you know how to do it without breaking. Airbag is obviously behind there in most decent cars, so be careful with that. But I wouldn't take this panel off to save you fucking about putting it back on later. Kind of run a wire, I'm gonna tuck it in later. Then I'm gonna put this extension lead. You can buy these for a couple of quid. So it's male to female. So you got a longer USB lead. And just carry on tucking it through. So carefully just wedge it in there. After you've gone through the panel, you can carry on tucking it in there, so it's nice and discreet. Not thinking then of running it under the seat. And that's it, my lovelies. So all working here. Not sure if you can see because of the sun. Very rare to get some sun in England, as you know. So how we did it, basically tuck the wires basically behind this line, underneath the what is it called, the roof lining. Then I didn't take this off, just so you saw, just passed it through here. In there, and that's it. It's well hidden and comes out lovely here. No more hanging wires. Job be done.